good morning to everyone. Today in this video I just want to unbox this Halim Seeds where I bought from this Organic Pacific Halim Seeds for 380 rupees. So today I just received the package. Just want to show you how is the quality and how is the package details. So I'm just doing this video, and these are the remotes for Orient Electric and this CanStar. Yeah, for unboxing and full details of this, just find it in the description. I'll post the links. This is the CanStar BLDC fan which I purchased for 2000 rupees. Yeah, anyway you can find them in the description. Let me open this one also. There is some more packaging here. There's a plastic cover. Yeah. Okay, the main reason I purchased this online, because in the offline stores I just tried to find this but I couldn't find. Then finally I decided to purchase them online. I ordered from here and this got some good ratings of 4.2. Let me check the quality, and this package is of half kilo, 500 grams, right? Pacific Organic Pacific Premium Natural Halim Seeds. So let me open this. Yeah, this is how they are looking. They're looking decently good. I never used this before. Okay, we need to soak them in the water maybe overnight, just like chia seeds. Yeah, maybe if I receive enough comments I can do how is the real user experience of using this Halim Seeds. And for now the quality is decently good. Yeah, see, decently good. Yeah, if you do have any other question, just ask in the comments. For this unboxing and working, as this is the summer, many users want to have a look at these BLDC fans to save some power bill. This would be one of the best ideal choice. After installing these fans, the power bill is really saved for me. I can surely say that 50% of the power bill has been saved, as there will be continuous usage of the fans now. Going to BLDC is one of the good choice. Yeah, I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.